6 new faces in the 18-member Andrew Holness cabinet. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Surprise announcement, an appointment. Roddy Spencer to be Junior Minister in Finance and Public Service.
Magisterial recount in South St. James delayed.
U.S. disappointed in Jamaica's progress in combating narcotics, illicit trafficking and corruption.
And in the business day flow, Jamaica signs deal to bring back its call center here.
There's also a ray of hope, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And tonight we're asking, what are your reactions to the cabinet appointed by Prime Minister Andrew Holness?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package continues right after this break.
News headlines brought to you by